If you want quick tips regarding making money online, this video is it. If you want to keep your wallet healthy, you must work hard. The more work you put into a revenue stream, the more cash you will make. It is true that you can make money online. The rest of this video will guide you towards how to make money on the internet. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. You might not be rich in a day, but you're able to work and make a lot of money. Your hard work will be rewarded in big ways. Good luck, and we wish you nothing but success in the future. Student loan.